6:54 and we're getting ready for work. I do have to meet my coworker downstairs at 7, so we have a little over an hour to get ready. Oh no, I'm meeting her at 7:30, so I actually have an hour and a half to get ready. Okay, now I feel better. So let's go ahead and get ready for our morning. I am on a work trip in Vegas. I figured I would take you guys with me for the week. I will try to record what I can during the day, but I don't know how successful that's gonna be just because I will be working. But I kind of wanted to show you guys how I travel. I try to make it the most comfortable that I can. I am definitely like a homebody. I am antisocial at times. I have to charge my battery away from people, but also like I love people. So I'm a little bit of both, but at these kind of events, you really have to talk to everyone and put yourself out there. So I will be doing that all day and then be super tired when I get back. But I do have a couple of things that like make me more comfortable while I'm on trips. So if you don't know, hi, my name is Victoria and I go by Vicky, and my channel is all about lifestyle, wellness, and beauty. And I post, or at least I'm trying to post a weekly vlog. So this week you guys are coming along with me. But one of those little luxuries that I did pack are some eye masks. So I'm gonna put on my Grace and Stella eye masks while I actually have to iron my dress that I'm gonna wear today. So let's put these on. But yeah, I usually like to bring eye masks and a face mask to wherever I'm traveling, just to like make me feel a little more like I'm at home. Because usually if you're, you know, not at home, you wouldn't have these things. So I like to bring them just to make me feel a little bit better. So let's go find something on TV to watch while we iron our clothes for today. And I guess while we're here, I can give you a little tour. I am staying at the Flamingo in Vegas, and this is my room. So you walk in and this is the bathroom on the right of the front door, and then here is the closet. I did like kind of unpack. I don't have too many hangers to be able to use, but this is the dress in question that we need to steam, or not steam, iron. So I'm gonna pull out the ironing board. And then here is the TV and some drawers. This one keeps coming out, but I do wanna kind of unpack just a bit. And then we have this little seating area with the lamp, side table, and chair. Really happy to have a full-size mirror. You'd be surprised how many hotels do not have one. And then the side table with the lamp, the king-size bed, which has its own lights above it. This was super, super nice to sleep in last night. And this is also one of my favorite things to bring with me is a jelly cat. So this is my little elephant, and I just like to have something from home to make me feel a little bit better going to sleep at night, because I have been with my now husband for almost 5 years, sleeping in a bed together. And so it is kind of hard to sleep by myself now. So I like to have a little something to help me out. And then another side table. This one's more of like a desk because it comes with like a little desk chair. And then these are my bags that I brought. ready. I did change because that dress was see-through and I really do need like some Spanx or like nude shorts to go under it. So I don't think I can wear the dress unless I find some Spanx. So I did just kind of touch up my hair, and then the scent of the day today is going to be Victoria's Secret Bear and Lancome La Vie Est Belle Lait Elixir. So let me put on my fragrance and then give you guys a little outfit of the day. Okay, OOTD. So I have my bag, which is from Amazon. This is the Love Vook bag, my go-to corporate bag. And then I have on my sweater, which is also from Amazon. I have on these Loft slacks, and then I have a little belt on and my gold Madden Girl sneakers. So this is the fit. We're heading out. We're gonna go get some coffee. Unfortunately, the only place to get coffee is downstairs in the lobby, and it's Starbucks. We all know how I feel about Starbucks. But I do desperately need caffeine. So, apologies ahead of time, but we're gonna go get some coffee and get on our merry way. And it is 7:17, so I did great. It's now Friday, and I'm in a different city. I'm in Boston. I did not record it all yesterday because my flight was in tight quarters, and I just felt embarrassed. I made friends with the person next to me, and so I didn't want to just like pull out my phone. That's so awkward. But we're walking through the Boston Commons now. It's lunchtime, so we're trying to find a place to eat. And then we're gonna go to the Marathon Expo and shop around and then check into our hotel. So yeah, we're just walking around and exploring today. And then tonight we have the Red Sox game. Who are they playing? Do you know?
Good question.
I don't know who they're playing, but yeah, the Red Sox game and the Real Housewives of Rhode Island are throwing the first pitch. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna change before I go though, because I ended up having to wear my full cheetah Lululemon outfit, which is fun, but I feel a little ridiculous, so. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. Well, we are back home now, and I wanted to close out this vlog actually with a little bit of a haul. So we did pick up some things in Salem and also in Newport that I wanted to share with you guys, but I hope you really enjoyed that vlog. I didn't talk a lot while we were in Boston and just in that area of the vlog because we were with a big group of friends. But yeah, let's just get into what I picked up. So from the Rosecliff Mansion, I did pick up two little pieces of art. So I picked up this hanging one, which is so cute. It's in a little frame and it's got this print of the Rosecliff on the front. This was $24, but it's adorable. And I'm trying to collect prints from everywhere we travel and hang them like a gallery wall in our guest bathroom downstairs. I just think it's so fun. So all we have right now is a poster from Lake Como. So we'll add this. And then I've also got a poster from New York City that I need to frame. And then I also picked up a Rosecliff Mansion magnet, but it's this beautiful frame. I thought that was so fun. It doesn't have the price on it anymore, but I think it was like $10 or something. And then in Salem, I got a little postcard, which I probably will also try to frame, but it just says greetings from Salem, Massachusetts. I didn't really like any of the witchy ones that they had. They didn't have, honestly, most of the stores were not open when we got there. We got there after 5, so none of the museums were open and some of the stores were like closing. So we didn't have a lot of options for shopping, but we did get in a couple stores. Witch City Wicks, and I have followed them on Instagram for a while now, and I was introduced to them by Jade the Libra. If you don't follow Jade the Libra on YouTube and you like Halloween stuff, you would love her. But yeah, I've heard about Witch City Wicks for a while, and so I wanted to stop in and get some stuff, but I'm kind of on a candle buying ban, so I bought wax bars instead. We sat there, our whole group sat there and smelled every single candle in the store. It was so fun. And there was one, I think it was called like Buried Alive or Just Buried. It smelled like dirt, like you had been digging a grave. Crazy. So the first one I got is Woods. This one I think just smelled like an evergreen. Smells really, really nice. And then I also got Shadow Woods, which I think had some of the same scent notes as Woods, but definitely more of a green scent. Like kind of mossy. That smells so good. And these were like unlike anything that I have. So I really wanted to get something like that. I also got Midnight Amber. This one is a little bit like sweet body care. It must be amber, but it smells so, so good. I like this one a lot. And then I also got Sea Witch, which I thought was nice for coming up on summer. It's like a marine smell. It smells like ocean water. Oh, it's so good. This kind of reminds me of Ocean from Bath & Body Works, the men's scent, but it's such a good like aquatic scent. So that was really fun. And then I did pick up a little sticker while I was there. This is definitely more of me. I love all things Halloween and fall, but I'm much more of a pastel girly than a dark gothic girly because I'm scared of scary movies. So yeah. And then I also picked up a little keychain just because I saw it at the checkout, and it's a little jack-o'-lantern guy, but it's also got like a little hook. So I feel like I can make like a nice fun keychain ring out of this for the fall time and put it on my purse. So I think that's going to be really adorable, or just put it on my keys. We'll see. So that is my little haul from what we got while on our trip. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of a long one and mostly like music, but I hope that you guys still enjoyed. And by the way, all of the restaurants that we went to, I would totally recommend, especially Salty Girl and the oyster place that we went to in Newport. Those were so good, so good. So that's everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.